Alright, today's assignment is cleaning up this old web server, which I was using to host my website for about a year before I migrated over to a fully solar-powered Raspberry Pi. Yeah. I was just curious how much dust there'd be. So, this is just a basic little super micro chassis. I've quite liked them. Yeah. So pretty much the biggest areas look to be just the power supply, really. It stayed surprisingly clean, all things considered. You can see my little air duct that I made, just some cut cardboard, because the fan here kind of throws air that way. And, obviously I want it to get to the heatsink, the CPU. Actually, that's not the CPU heatsink. I believe that's the Northbridge heatsink. Does this thing have a Northbridge or Southbridge chipset? Whatever. The actual CPU's right here. I always get that mixed up because generally it's the other way around. You got your CPU with the fan and your chipset is just passively cooled on quite literally everything else. But this is just a little Intel Atom board, a little super micro Intel Atom. This isn't the board that came with the case. I got this afterwards. I have a sort of, I don't know how you'd put this, sympathy. I just like the little Intel Atom boards and just desktop motherboards with little bitty mobile CPUs stuck inside them. I've also got an ASRock N100 ITX board I need to do something with. Yeah. So let's take this thing out and clean it. Holy shit. Still some great clouds so far. So yeah, not the most comprehensive cleaning, as I'm sure you can see. But I just wanted to get this surface layer off, because I have other plans for this motherboard, which you'll probably see coming up shortly.